Have you ever wondered, why do successful people sleep less and still outperform you? You think it's some magic pills or some secret hack that only they know. What I'm about to say will change how you see sleep completely. Most people believe more sleep means more energy. The 8-hour golden rule. Sleep more, feel better. That's where you're wrong. Here's the real truth. Successful people don't sleep less because they're superhuman. They sleep less because they're smarter about it. While you sleep 8 hours and wake up tired, they sleep 6 and wake up more energetic than you ever felt in last 3 years.
But how? That doesn't make sense. You think it's more sleep means more time to recover, right? But it's actually opposite. They understand sleep quality is important, not sleep time. Here's the truth. One good 90-minute sleep cycle beats 4 hours of broken, interrupted sleep. One deep cycle, that's it. So their sleep works, yours doesn't. You don't realize what's killing your sleep. Your phone. You scroll more, suddenly it's 3 a.m. You pass out from exhaustion. That's not sleep, that's your brain giving up.
Here's what the elites do. They kill the blue light 1 hour before sleep. Phone down, lights off, room cold. Their brain gets the signal, sleep mode activated. They don't just sleep, they engineer every single thing. Temperature, 17 degrees Celsius, complete darkness, no screens, no noise, no distraction, just peace. That's why they sleep less but wake up sharper than you, because everything is intentional, every night is optimized. But you sleep randomly, no routine, no structure, no plan. Your body doesn't know when to rest.
But winners do this differently. They go to bed at the same time every night, wake up at the same time every morning. Their body learns the rhythm, adapts to it, gets better at it. Why? Because one 90-minute sleep cycle of deep recovery beats 8 hours of broken sleep. Successful people understand this. They get 3 to 4 cycles. That's 3 to 6 hours of real sleep, deep, uninterrupted recovery. That's why they outperform you, not because they have more energy, because they have better energy.
So here's what needs to be changed tonight. Keep room temperature 17 degrees Celsius. Lights off before you even think about sleeping. Phone down 1 hour before bed. Same time every night, 10 p.m. Same time every morning, 5 a.m. Do this for 1 week, just 1 week. Your sleep will change, your energy will change, your entire life will change. And if you're ready to sleep like the top 1%, comment, what time are you sleeping tonight? Like this video, subscribe to be better. Stay locked in.